Unit 8. What's in the mailbox? Most always, when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I'm going to write some letters, though. That's what I'm going to do. And then my friends will answer me, and I'll get letters too. My silly sister. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. She does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. When we play with pebbles, she thinks they are real food. She even tries to put them into her mouth. When I open a book before her and ask her to learn her ABC, she tears the pages with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. This is your baby's way of doing her lessons. When I shake my head at her in anger and scold her or call her naughty, she laughs and thinks it great fun. Everybody knows that father is away, but sometimes I call out father playfully. She looks quickly about her in excitement and thinks that father is near. Sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. Only then she keeps quiet. I insist that she should call me Dada. Your baby wants to catch the moon. She's really funny. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. Rabindranath Tagore.